Good morning, Google. My name is Stead Halstead. I've been emailing you about problems with my Google Calendar Outlook sync, erasing my entire Google Calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the steps. To start with, I have uninstalled completely using Revo Uninstaller, a freeware tool to remove all all artifacts of something that's been installed. So we're starting pretty much from a fresh slate of not having Google Calendar Sync installed. I've reloaded a version of my calendar this week, and I've also saved a backup, so this time when it clears it, I will be ready. But I am still missing all those other events, so if you guys can find those, that would be awesome. Alright, I'm starting to install the Google Calendar Sync. Behind the window, you can see that my Google Calendar definitely has items populated on it. We're going to install all of these. Go ahead and install. Alright, now in this box, I'm going to go ahead and type my email, and that is stead@gmail.com, which is my Gmail account. The account I'm emailing from is my Google Apps account for my actual domain, but I found that the Gmail account has access to more features like Reader, so that is why I use both. I also had the Gmail one beforehand. My password. Alright, and we have selected two-way sync. Just want to make sure of that. We're going to leave the default sync time. We'll go ahead and save. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and close that because we are completed. We notice down here that the Google Calendar Sync is downloading events. It'll take just a second. Oh, geez. Okay, looks like it's finished. So it says it has last synced this morning at 9:30. That is the time right now. I'm going to go into Outlook. And we'll notice that under calendar, those events actually aren't there. So, that's interesting. So, what I did next was I was frustrated that night, and so I went back to my Google Calendar, and I swore never to go into Outlook again. And, excuse me. So what I did is I created an event, and that was, I can't remember, but we'll just name it meeting. So I created that, and let me see if I can get it to do it right now. Other times it seems to take some time. So if I go ahead and hit sync now, it thinks about it for a bit. Sometimes it seems like it's not on the first or second sync, but after I leave it for a while. So maybe it has to do with both applications being closed. I haven't experimented with that yet. Oh, Outlook seems to have just closed. That's weird. Okay, events still seem to be on my Google Calendar. But let's look at Outlook real quick. Nothing there. So sync still didn't work. I'm going to go ahead and close Outlook. Alright. Outlook's all the way closed. We'll go ahead and try another sync. We are syncing. Still syncing. It says 2 out of 188 items, so it's definitely finding my calendar and selected on the right one. Okay. Oh, okay. Looks like we're done syncing. Alright, still nothing in Outlook, so that's kind of weird. So I'm going to go ahead and close Outlook and Google Calendar right now. And we're going to go ahead and sync. We'll see what happens here. Alright, looks like we're synced up. I'm going to open a new tab, go back to my calendar here. Oh. Oh no. This is the week that I had shown you previously. it appears that when Google Calendar and Google, or sorry, excuse me, goodness no, it appears when Google Calendar and Outlook are both closed, it clears all the events, but it seems that they both have to be closed in order for it to happen. So this was what I ran into. For example, when the sync would run when I first started up my computer and I hadn't had a chance to start Google Calendar. So as you can see, there are absolutely no events on my calendar. I am still selected over here, and the one event that remains on my calendar, actually it doesn't seem like there are any events on my calendar. Last time, the one that we had created called Meeting did end up staying, so it appeared that it one-way synced just that new event that we had created down to Outlook. I've noticed it won't clear everything unless I create a new event in Google Calendar. And then now when we go to this calendar, we notice that there's still nothing here. So everything has kind of disappeared into the void. Attached to this email will be the log files from this new installation of Google Calendar Sync. And I hope this helps you guys out. Give me a call or email me if you have any further questions. But I hope this solves the problem. And if I'm even luckier, I hope I can get all my old calendar events back. Cool. Thank you so much. Bye.